Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gmail security keys in two-step verification. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate. Sign into your Gmail account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon and select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. You will now be on the Google account page. On the left side menu, click on Security. Scroll down until you find the Signing into Google section. Here, click on Two-Step Verification. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Once you've entered your password, you'll be directed to the two-step verification settings page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your primary two-step verification method, such as a phone number or authenticator app. After setting that up, locate the Security Keys section. Click on Add Security Key. You may need to insert your security key into a USB port if you're using a USB key. Follow the prompts to register the security key to your account. If you're using a Bluetooth or NFC, near-field communication key, follow the specific instructions for pairing it. Once the key is registered, it will appear in your list of security keys. For added security, you can register more than one key. Make sure to follow the prompts to finalize the setup. Now, return to the two-step verification page to review your settings. You should see the status indicating that two-step verification is enabled. Test the setup by signing out of your Gmail account and signing back in. You will be prompted to use your newly set up two-step verification method. Insert or activate your security key when prompted. Once confirmed, you will gain access to your Gmail account. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Gmail security keys and enabled two-step verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.